Okay.
You don't share like a king size bed or something together?
No.
Oh,
No,
man, that's tough, man.
that would be
Man, you're not
sus.
like real brothers, you
Does
know.
he know about the sock though? Because if he knows about
No,
the sock,
there's
then he's
no
a real
sock.
brother.
Giving you a sock.
Okay, yo, I gotta explain this, Jaden. So, okay, you know Polly, right?
Tony has a cum sock.
Yeah. I
No,
think
I
you
don't
told
have
me
a
this
cum
already.
sock. Yo,
Me
I
too.
told you about
Wait,
the
yeah,
sock.
you
We talked about the
explained it
sock
last
last
time.
time. Yeah, yeah, I remember.
Yeah, we
Okay.
did.
You have
But
I
that
context
was
know,
to
but
the
now he's
sock.
gonna tell you about the real one.
No,
Okay, I
Oh.
think it's okay to have a sock.
no,
But if Antonio has a sock, then it's not okay.
His
no,
name's
guys.
Polly, by the way.
No, that's not the sock's name.
Antonio doesn't use a sock.
No, what's the sock's name, Antonio?
He's
You
a
never
No,
told
mitten.
me.
no, I don't use the sock. Doesn't have a name, bro. Her name
Oh,
is.
so you do have a sock.
To her. I
No,
thought you
this
said
is
why you're
That
referring
is a
to
her.
the
Yeah.
sock. You probably drew a
Yeah.
face on the sock, man. What?
Whoa. I mean, I actually, I'll tell you about how I take care of my BB gun though. Like, I always like put the oil inside
Is
first.
this a...
No, I put the
He
oil.
makes sure it's all
whoa,
lubed
whoa.
up. He makes
Whoa,
sure.
where
No,
is this
guys, I
going?
put the oil inside, so I.
No. He
it-
rubs the oil up and down the barrel. It's really nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Bro,
so
I
we can
work,
fucking-
I work it out. So like, I gotta make sure that it's not rusty on the inside first. So I gotta like make sure it
Wait,
gets
hold on.
all. in the-
I don't pay attention for 2 minutes. What are we talking
Bro,
about?
the motor
We're
oil
talking
gets
about
no.
barrel.
You gotta use the right. No, you gotta use the right oil though.
We're talking
Oh, I
about
thought we were-
Antonio's barrel.
Oh,
No, about his BB gun. His BB gun.
I thought we were
Yeah,
talking
okay.
about
I gotta-
The
the
sock.
Sound like last
You
time.
gotta use eye
Yeah.
protection because there can be splashbacks sometimes from the oil.
Oh my God.
He's doing this on purpose right now. There's no way.
No, I'm
He's doing-
serious. No, because
Oh my-
sometimes when you shoot out the pellets, bro, it can ricochet and hit you in the
Why,
eye.
why are you talking about the BB gun like
It's
that?
like no context. I don't know what we're talking
Bro,
about.
I'm just
What's gonna
saying.
shoot you in the eye?
The splashback.
Yo,
The splashback from the pellets. What?
yeah, for the pellets. They're really
Recoil?
fast. Yeah. Well, there's no. It's
No,
a
not
lever
recoil.
action.
Stop
It's a lever
sexualizing the
action
BB gun.
rifle.
That is. I don't
I'm
know,
not
man.
sexualizing anything, bro. This is how I take care of my BB gun.
He said
What
he
am I-
rubs. Seb, he said he rubs oil up and down the barrel, dude. Like,
No, I did not say that. That's not what I said. I said
Again,
I
you
put,
can make
I
those.
put oil inside the barrel to make sure it's well lubricated when I shoot the gun.
When he uses the gun.
This is sounding worse as I go on.
no, 'cause you're telling it like that.
You're objectifying the gun, Antonio.
Well, I like using the gun. Okay. I shoot targets with it. That's all. That's as far as it
He
goes.
aims
guys.
his barrel at things. And he shoots.
And then it gets in his eye.
His target practice every day.
But he's gotta wear eye protection because there could be some splashback from the oil. Like,
Because he's showing.
No, okay. When you shoot out the pellets, sometimes if you put too much oil, though, the oil can leak out of the barrel. I'm just curious. I mean, you don't think I'm gonna shoot out for.
I think it works.
Yo, he's
every
doing this
time.
on
No,
purpose,
no,
yo.
Antonio, we
No,
don't
I'm
we
not.
don't think you're making it up. We just
Okay.
you're trolling the way you're saying it.
It's like what I. Okay,
You're
whatever.
like reinforcing it.
not
You're like,
real.
guys, I'm serious. The oil really does splash back. I swear. we get the oil splashes back. Antonio, but like, why are you saying it like how you're saying it?
Bro, I'm saying because you guys are laughing at the fact that it sounds like that.
Bro, I don't want a BB gun
Oh,
anymore.
okay.